Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Web Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in good health. So in this video, we are going to understand what is UseEffect Hook in React.js. So let's begin. So let's create a UseEffect.js, and now here I am going to create a React functional component with export. And if you have a snippets, you can just type RFCE and you will get the snippets. And in order to download this, you can go to the extension of your VS Code, type ES7 React Redux React Native Snippets, download this, and you will get very cool snippets related to JavaScript, related to React and all that. And now, instead of a simple function, I am going to use fat arrow function here. So something like this, let's say, and let's render this in our app.js. So let's review something like this, open up the server. Our server is already running, so let's open up the browser here. We got UseEffect written here. So what is UseEffect Hook? UseEffect Hook is simply a function used for managing states. States are basically the useState hook. If you don't know what is useState hook, please do watch my previous video on useState hook. You will understand about everything about useState hook. So in order to manage this, you use UseEffect every time your app loads. And so let's create this, and there are some parameters so that you can configure your UseEffect. And UseEffect needs a callback function as well. And after callback, this is a dependency array. If you don't provide this dependency array, UseEffect will run whenever there is any change in any of your states. And if you add like this, it won't run whenever it won't run anytime. It would only run when your app loads at the first time of your app load, and it would not run after that. And inside that in this array, you can define the name of your use state. So let me create a use state here called first with like this. And here, suppose I want to change this. If I want to Suppose I want to run my UseEffect whenever my use state hook, whenever my use state hook called first updates. So is there any change? If there is any change in my first use state hook, my UseEffect would run. So I would provide this inside my dependency array, something like this. And now inside this callback, whatever I would run, I would write the code. If I write any code inside this callback, this would be running once your app loads, and then whenever your use state called first will be updated. You need to provide the name of your use state, or you can just keep it empty, and this would run once. But make sure you configure your use state or use effect according to you. So for now, I am doing a console.log first state updated, something like this. Let's save. Let's go here. There's an error called use state is not defined. Let me import this from React. Now this should work fine. And I need a button as well in order to update my use state. So let me make this React JavaScript and button, and this should be inside the div according to me. Now else I can use React synthetical sugar format. Yeah, and press me, click me, and on click, I'm going to set first plus 1. and I would convert this first to an integer, something like this. And now let's check. Not running too many redundancies, and onClick requires a callback as well. So I need to do something like this, and I need to provide this new set first here, and this should work now. Fresh, working fine. If I press here, if I refresh, as you can see here, my UseEffect has been running. I had run and it had loaded first. It had run. The UseEffect has been run. The UseEffect function has been called first when my app loads, and whenever I click on this button, my UseEffect has been called. And now, hope you understand what is UseEffect in React.js. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon as well. Don't forget to join my Discord server, link in the description.